Lorex continues to expand its high-end range of 2K dome cameras. The LNE3162 is a unibody all-metal aluminum housing, the same material used in the construction of airplanes. The 3162 can be mounted indoors or outdoors and vertically or horizontally. The camera also offers a number of cable slots for surface mounting. This dome-style camera is loaded with features that set it apart from the competition. The 3162 is IP or Internet Protocol based and uses Power over Ethernet or PoE. The camera houses a 3-megapixel sensor and delivers a full 2K image with more than 50% more detail than 1080p HD. The LNE3162 is equipped with 12 infrared LEDs, which allow it to deliver a night vision range up to 115 feet with ambient lighting and 75 feet in total darkness. The LNE3162 has a split glass design where the lens is physically separated to block the light from the LEDs reflecting back into the lens. This dome camera can operate as low as -22 degrees Fahrenheit, and its rugged construction allows it to withstand the harshest of weather, rain, snow, and even hail. The camera is certified as IP66 water rating. This camera not only delivers great images in a compact size, but can deliver a great field of view of 75 degrees. This camera would be ideal at the front door or narrow access routes. The 3162 has a rotating ball head, which allows the user to easily adjust the angle and direction the camera is pointing. The 3162 kit includes a 100-foot 30-meter Cat5e Ethernet cable featuring a unique cable locking system. Once attached, the cable connection is sealed from moisture and dust. Hollow wall anchors and screws are part of the kit, along with a quick start guide in several languages. A 24-hour window decal and an installation template are also part of the package. The LNE3162 is a professional-grade dome security camera offering great flexibility and performance in a compact form factor. It will provide years of service for all your security needs.